Hi everybody. This week we start looking at honor, leading with integrity, humility, and empathy. So as we move through the different modules, you'll see that these principles are all part of ways to be a servant leader. So they should start to look like they all hang together. So we've got a definition of honor and some background. So specifically, we're going to do one to take a look at an article and a video and talk about what you learned from watching that, and then reply to classmates. Your individual assignment has to do with leading with humility, and this is a key aspect of being an effective leader. Watch one of the two videos and write a short reflection using examples. There's an option here to watch the empathy video with Brene Brown, so not a requirement because we're trying to be cognizant of the workload in this class since it's 0 credit, but she is an expert in anything you can find from Brene Brown on empathy. She's got a great book called Dare to Leave, so it's actually 0 points, so I need to fix that for you. So here is some information on honor and integrity. There's the article link and the video link. Here is, oops, we got some responses in here already. Some responses to the discussion board. Oh, lots of you are moving ahead with this work. And I actually, in the middle of this, opened up all of the modules, took away the prereqs because some people were getting stuck. So you should be able to move through as many modules as you want to when you have the time. So here's the section on leading with humility. So you can choose, you can watch both and then choose which one to write about. And then module 2, the assignment is an individual assignment, so it's just for me. And so read those, watch one of those videos, and then post your response here. So I hope you have a great week. Let me know if you have any questions or any problems.